I'm Sammy from Peggy Peg, and today I would like to show you how to use our TieStrap 2.0. It is a storm strap for your awning, and it is 1.5 to 3 meter extendable, and it's one complete enclosed system. What does that mean? Even if I make it bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter, there will never be a loose end that flaps around and annoys you. And over here we have our T-connector, the blue triangle. It's really easily clickable, and it also won't undo itself anymore. This fits into the most common awning rails, and we actually tried it with loads of them, and it always was a fit, so that's really nice. They're the cheaper awnings on the cars, for example, even there they work. Over here you have a shock absorber, also an enclosed spring system. What is so nice about the spring is that it is enclosed and doesn't have an open end, so you can directly screw through the eyelet and nothing can unhook itself even if it is super windy. So it just slides into the awning rail, and then you strap it in a 45-degree angle to the front. Why to the front? Because if we would just strap it downward, we have the same force that comes from the wind onto the leg as onto the strap, but we want to distribute it, so we strap it in a 45-degree angle downward. I give it a little bit more slack and twist it so it won't make any humming noises in the wind. And then I can directly screw through the eyelet. Just use the peg fitting to the ground. And adjust the lock nut or hook if needed to prevent the spring sliding upward. And then you just tighten it, and that way your awning is additionally secured and takes away also that wind force from the hinges of the awning. It's also easily retractable again. Give it a little bit more slack. You don't have to undo any peg here, just give it a bit more slack. Unclick it up here, leave it on the ground, slide this out, and your awning is ready to go in after you open the sliders of our Fix and Go anchor plate. That's how you use the TieStrap.